हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स. कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. टुडे यू ऑल आर हियर टू नो the tricks and tips to score 100% marks in surface area volume. Now, today I'll be taking all those classes. Good evening everyone, good evening. Okay, so these chats are really very fine. Means you all are responding in such a charged up pace, such a enthusiastically. It's really fine. Hello protocol. This is Abhishek. Hi Abhishek. Yes, I'll be taking all the questions also. And many of the chats. I'm very happy to see you so excited. And today, surely guys, today I'll be taking all those tough questions also, and also I'll be giving you the tips that how you can score 100%. See, scoring 100% marks in boards does not mean only one thing, that you have to be very much good with the mathematics and practicing a lot of questions, 1000 questions. It's not like that. It is very simple and it is very easy. Just we need to know the tricks. Say for example, if you are playing an IGI game, you don't need to be very good in playing games. Only you need to know the trick, that where and when that means. Say for example, today these days PUBG is going on, isn't it? So you don't need to know about that how to win the means very good and in playing games. Only you need to know the tricks, little tricks. I have even played PUBG many times. So similarly in your board examinations, you don't need to go through the complete book, make it thorough. Only you need to know simple points, that what is the pattern which board follows, what is the thing which board keeps on repeating, and it happens. See, I have gone through this, and means I know this because I am analyzing the pattern of board examinations since a long time. So I know this very clearly, and I'll be sharing all those experience today with you. Hello Anirvan. Hello Soumya, very good evening all of you. See, whenever I am watching here in this way, don't think that I am not putting attention over you. It's only like this, that I am watching over all of your chats. And today I'll be covering all those things in which you are troubled. Say for example, Frustum and combination of solids. I know that in all these chapters you get a lot of problems. Before moving further, I'll be telling you something about myself. This is me, Harsh Priyam. I have completed my engineering. After completing my engineering, I was having a very good option of working in an MNC and going abroad. In fact, my company was even offering me onshore duty and going abroad and living a very good life. But really, today I can say it very proudly that I chose teaching. I chose teaching only because of one reason, that I really like this teaching field. Why I like this? Because when I was a kid, I was hammered with such a kind of problems which you today are being hammered. Not getting marks despite of studying so hard, not hitting that right point. And why you all are not getting, means I was also into this, and this was a very real big problem. So just to analyze that, and when I analyzed, I found that it is so easy. And just to deliver that thing, means I just to let others know, other kids know that this is the main thing, here you have to hit. I just chose teaching, and touch wood, for last 7+ years I have been guessing questions for students, and it has been tremendous level, I can say that. And the kind of love which student shows me, it again suffices, it again proves my sayings, my wordings, that yes, it is going very well. So this is me. I have taught more than 10,000 students, and out of them almost 75% students have scored above 90%. I'm telling that they have scored above 90% in their school examinations. And I have even helped much more students, around more than 100 students, to crack JMO, RMO, INMO, IMOs, and many other Olympiads, NTAC, and various other things. So I'll be taking you through this short journey, where I'll be telling you that what kind of questions can come, and I'll be giving you a brief view about all those things which are the most important parts, where you need to put some emphasis. And apart from that, what are the main questions and topics where you can score really higher. I'll be telling you all of these things. Today's class is on surface area volume, and today I'll be giving you questions of surface area volume. Now, all of you have gathered here for which one reason? Can you tell me about that? For surface area volume, Okay, many of them are telling surface area volume, getting 100% marks. Okay, no, I don't think so. I know that all of you are here with only one reason. Let me tell you that. All of you are here only with one reason: to get your parents, your elders, your society, your friends a sense of respect for yourself. Isn't that true? Why I am saying this? Because I know it very clearly that everyone sitting here wants good marks only because of the fact that he or she wants to prove the whole of the world that you are not just sitting idle and doing nothing. You are doing a lot, and by that marks you want to prove the whole world to your parents that I am of, it is not like that I am not of no use. I am of very much use, and these are my marks. And see, I know this feeling very well because I have gone through. Most of the time it happens that when a student don't get good marks, people just judge him or her that he or she is not a good kid. It's not like that. But whatsoever be the reason, I'll not talk about it. I'll not talk about changing the world today, but I'll talk about getting good marks. And I will show you the way so that you can also make your parents, make your society feel proud about you. And you will do, I know it very well. Because see, all of them who are sitting outside, they are just the spectators. Because sitting outside the pitch and just commenting that this ball should have been played like this is a wrong thing. I know it. And everyone who plays, he knows that sitting out of the pitch and sitting out of the ground and just spectating about the player that he should have played like this is a very easy task. Tough task is to get into the field and then perform. And I am here to just make you aware of that and just to make you very ready for this. And I'll make you ready for this judgment day. Now, moving forwards, before moving forward, I'll be just taking a glance with you all for about formulas. And in the meantime, I'll be going through your chats also, what you people are saying. If in the meantime I don't get to the chats, don't get worried. I'll be watching at the chats. At the same time, I'll be teaching you also. Just like one of the boy is asking, will you be taking Frustum? Yes, sure, I'll be taking Frustum. And I'll be taking combination of solids also. I'll be telling you the ways with which you can really easily learn the formulas for Frustum, and apart from that, apply it. I'll be telling you all of these things. So let's start. Now, come on guys. Starting here, curved surface area of a cube. You all know this cube. Cube has all sides of equal length. So length A, breadth A, and height A. Now, so this cube has curved surface area of 4A square because 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, back side, and 4th, this side. These 4 surfaces, and they all are squares, so 4 into A square. And if I take the total surface area, these are 4 and 5, 5th surface and 6th surface. This becomes 6A square and volume is A cube. Talking about cuboid, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Curved surface area is 2 times LH and 2 times BH. Why? Because we leave this bottom. Always remember, in curved surface area, we never take top and bottom. We always leave this top and bottom, and the 4 sides, the curved part, comes into consideration. So the bottom part has an area of length into breadth, and the top part also has an area of length into breadth. So in total surface area, I'll be taking this 2 times LB, and apart from that, BH and LH is already there. Similarly for volume, length into breadth into height is the formula. Moving on to next. Curved surface area about cylinder. About cylinder, this is the radius and this is the height. And this is again the radius. For curved surface area, it is 2 pi RH. You all very well know, you would have studied it, and I know it. Curved in total surface area, always 2 pi RH, curved surface area is added, and apart from that, top and bottom is also added. Here top is a circle, that is why it is pi r square, and bottom is also a circle, that is why its area is pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square makes it 2 pi r square. Volume is pi r square h. For cone, this will be the height and this will be the radius and this will be the slant height, say for L. L has a formula, L is equal to root under r square plus h square. Formula for slant height of the cone. So this is r square plus h square because it is forming a right angle triangle. Curved surface area would be pi rl. For the formula of L, I have already mentioned it here. Total surface area is curved surface area plus top and bottom. See here, top does not have any area. Top area is 0 and bottom's area, it will be pi r square. So this is curved surface area plus top and bottom is pi rl plus pi r square. Volume is 1/3 of the cylinder, 1/3 of pi r square h. Okay, moving on to next. Talking about sphere. So sphere, it is very easy. In sphere, you can see that there is no top or bottom. All the surfaces are very same. They are called similar face, means the whole figure is similar. It's no way different. So that's why curved surface area is 4 pi r square and total surface area is also 4 pi r square. Moving on to next, guys. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. I guess these are very easy, na? Means only you have to remember it once. Once you remember it, thereafter the game goes very easy. Talking about hemisphere, when you cut it from here, you will get this hemisphere. This is the radius and this is again the radius. If we cut it, curved surface area becomes the half. About total surface area, I will say curved surface area will be 2 pi r square and plus top and bottom. See here we have a top and top is a circle and that's why its area is pi r square. So top is pi r square but we do not have any bottom. So only top will have the area and 2 pi r square plus pi r square will make it 3 pi r square. And volume would be half of the 4/3 pi r cube, that will be 2/3 pi r cube. Moving on to next. What is frustum of a cone? Now I will tell you something in detail about this. Guys, see how this frustum forms. This is a cone. Now this cone has a radius r and height h. Now you are given question in multiple types. I will tell you what types. First, the cone is cut from here. When the cone is cut from here and say for example it's a midpoint, then it will be h/2 and this will be also h/2 and then this figure comes out like this. This is a frustum and you are given with this. This is radius first and this is your height, that is h/2 and this is radius second. Now many a times it happens that you are given with a cone and in the question it is said that it is cut into two parts and then a frustum is given. Say for example this is volume of frustum and this is volume of cone. You are asked with find the ratio of volume of frustum to volume of cone. This is asked, or find the ratio of curved surface area of smaller cone to the curved surface area of frustum. Similarly, you can be asked with this curved surface area, instead of curved surface area, it can be asked for total surface area. Also, this can be done. Say for example, they will give the height of the cone and they will give only one radius and ask for the second radius. Multiple type of questions can be formed on this. And I know you all are very much fearful, very much tensed for this topic only. And be sure that in the coming classes, I am going to take these points in very detail because I know this is the problematic area. So moving on to next, we will be taking some questions. First of all, starting with the formula. See guys, this is the frustum. You already know this. This is radius first and this is radius second. Radius first and radius second. For generating the formula, curved surface area is pi rl used to be the curved surface area for cone. For this, pi l into r1 plus r2. See, okay, and this is L, slant height. For slant height, the formula is h square r1 minus r2 square. See, earlier it used to be like h square plus r square, but everywhere Now the R, the radius of the cone, will be replaced by 2 radius. And to remember, I will tell you the trick to remember all of these formulas. Just wait. Now moving on to next, total surface area. I'll write it here. Total surface area. Total surface area is pi R1 R2 L, curved surface area R1 plus R2 into L, plus, see, you have to write top area and bottom area. So top area is pi R1 square plus pi R2 square, curved surface area of the cone, and top area and bottom area. So this is the total surface area which is written here, pi R1 plus R2 L and pi common R1 square plus R2 square. Now for volume, 1 by 3, earlier it used to be 1 by 3 pi R square and H. It used to be like this. Pi and H will be same. R will change. Now R should be changed. See, everywhere R1 plus R2 is here. R1 plus R2, R1 square plus R2 square. So here also it should be like R1 plus R2 ka whole square. But this will not be here. The case will not be same here. See, if it would have been R1 plus R2 का whole square, तो ये हो जाता R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 times R1 R2. 2 times R1 R2. But remember guys, see, this is single times R1 R2, and by this only you can remember it always that here the formula has only single 1 times R1 R2, not 2 times. So you can remember it always that if it would have been 2 times R1 R2, it would have got the formula R1 plus R2 ka whole square. So volume of the frustum of the cone is 1 by 3 pi into H R1 square plus R2 square plus 1 times R1 R2. And this is the punch to remember. See, in curved surface area, pi into L R1 plus R2. Similar like the cone, only radius is replaced by 2 radius, R1 plus R2. In total surface area also, all the radius are replaced by 2 radius. Similarly, for volume also, R1 and R2, 2 radius. And all of them are in plus. See, plus, 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 everywhere is plus. Only in the formula of L, slant height, this will be minus. See, this will be minus. And this is the punch. You have to remember all these formulas by this way only. That in the slant height only this will be minus. Otherwise, everywhere this will be plus only. Now, I guess you all are very clear with this formula. Watch it once. After this video also, watch this formula or take a screenshot of this and remember it by heart, because this is going to change your whole perspective for the coming questions. Okay. Now, moving to next. Now, we have the first question here, guys. We have the first question. I'll give you 10 seconds. Come on. And I'm watching for the students who give it the first. Come on, do it fast. Find the surface area of the frustum. And see, the good thing is this, that you have all the options in the form of pi itself. So you don't need to calculate and put the value of pi, just calculate, put the formula and you will get the answer. Okay, I'm getting the options. It's someone is saying A, someone D, someone B. Okay, good. C is also coming an option. Okay, many of them are going for the right options and I am very happy for that. Okay, now I think I should tell the answer. It is an easy one. See guys, I need find the surface area. Here it has been called find the surface area. Now always remember, here they have not mentioned its surface, they have not mentioned that which surface area they are asking, but you can very well get it that here this L is given. L is 5 inches, isn't it? L is given as 5 inch. So you will, what you will do, see here unit can be anything. It can be inches, it can be centimeter, it can be according to your means question. Now L is given as 5 inches. So you will apply the formula for pi RL. This is formula for this is curved surface area, CSA. So you will apply CSA here and curved surface area will be pi RL, and pi RL will account to now just Sorry, I wrote the wrong formula, isn't it? So the right formula would be guys, pi L into R1 plus R2. This is the right formula. Pi into L. L is 5 into R1 plus R2. Radius first is 12 plus radius second is 15. 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. So 27 into 5 into pi, that makes it equal to 135 pi, and the answer comes as first option. So whosoever gave the first answer, kudos to him or her. And many of one, I can see it, many of one you are giving very right answers, and many of one have got this answer in just fraction of seconds, and I'm really happy for them, because these students, all of them who are doing it very so fastly, are really doing very great. And see, these questions are about to come. Board will not ask very tough questions, because all the questions which I have included here in my slide, I have taken utmost care that all these questions have come in past years. They have come continuously in past years, and they are most probable they are about to come in this 2019 exams also, your board exams. Moving on to next. So this is the same question. Okay, now the question second comes. I will again give you some time, and I want you to answer this. I am watching the chat. I'll watch out for the options. This is again a simple one, and here also you don't have to calculate the value, you don't have to put the value of pi. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere with some radius, it is same radius. It is same radius. The diameter of the base of the conical portion is 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given 12 centimeter. Height, determine the volume of the toy. Volume, you have to get the volume, guys. Now come on, do it very fast, yaar. I know you all can get the answer of this. I'm watching the chats. Okay, answer has started to come. Wow, that's nice. Someone is saying B. Okay, C option is also coming. And someone has said A. And D option is also coming. Okay, that's great. Means I am getting the mixed replies from everyone. Now come on, I'll give you 10 more seconds just to solve this. Okay, time up. Many of one of you have got the right answer. I guess Protocol has got the right answer in the very initial time. He has got a right answer, and Soumya has got the right answer. That's really nice. Very good, Soumya and Protocol. You both, I don't know the name of this Protocol, but yes, you guys are doing it great. Now, moving on to next, I'll show you how to solve this. Now, come on guys. Volume, I have to get the volume. Volume is equal to, for this first, volume of cone, and plus for this hemisphere, this is volume of hemisphere. Now, volume of cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h, isn't it? And plus for this hemisphere, it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Common in both, it is coming as pi r square bracket. This 1 by 3 remains here, plus 1 by 3 and h also remains here, h by 3, plus for this pi r square 2 by 3 will be remaining here. See, I'll be showing it to you on the next slide. We have space here. Now, what I said, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square is taken common, and what we can do here is h is remaining h by 3 plus 2 by 3 times r. Now I'll put the values. Pi r square, what is the radius? Radius was 6 centimeter. So this will be 6 square into h. H is 8 plus, see both have the LCM 3. So I'll take just 3, and 2 into r, 2 into radius, so 2 into 6. So this 3 will cancel 36 in 12 times. So this will come as 12 into pi into 6 to 12 plus 8, 20. So 20 into 12, this will come as 240 pi. So okay guys, 240 pi. Whosoever has got the answer D, they got it very correct. Now moving on to next questions. So guys, I guess you all are feeling that how easy these questions are, and these questions are only about to come. Believe me, because I have analyzed the past 7 years question, past 5 years question, and these questions are most probable questions. See, this is the solution, and they have done it quite long. Okay, we'll not put any, see, such a long solution, and we are here, means today's agenda is this also, that I want to teach. I am telling all of the solutions in only 2 to 3 lines, and this is the agenda of today's class, that all of the questions you will be learning to solve it in the minimum steps possible, so that you can save your time. So this much long solution is not required here. Now I'll tell you this problem also. This is a very good problem. Here it is asking, here we don't have options because I did not put it. Here it is asking volume and total surface area. Volume is very easy. I'll just write the formula. Volume is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. See guys, what the question is telling, just read out once. I'll move from here. Read out once. From a solid cylinder of height 36 centimeter and radius 14 centimeter, conical cavity of radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter is drilled out, means that portion has been taken out. Find the volume and total surface area of the remaining solid. Now these are the dimensions you have been given, and this is 36 centimeter. This is 36 centimeter. Now what you need to do, this has been taken out. This is now taken out. So when this has been taken out, the remaining part is left. So volume is very easy, volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Now what I will be telling, what I will be telling, the total surface area. So total surface area is equal to total surface area. See, for writing total surface area, I can't write here total surface area of cylinder minus total surface area of this cone. Why? Because there are some conditions which I will show you. See, when you will take out this cone from here, just imagine when you are taking out the cone, this portion which I am making in red color, this portion is hollow. So now what will happen? Total surface area is the area which is visible to us. Okay, so this is the visible area. So which area is visible to us? The curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, curved surface area of the cylinder, plus, see the bottom area, this bottom area would be visible, so this is pi r square, plus, now see guys, the upside area, here only we will be looking at this rim. This rim will be visible, because when we will take out this, only the rim portion will left, and this rim portion will be plus pi, say for example r1 square. Say for example, if I take this r1 and if I take this as r2, so this is r1 square, and pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. This will only be left, and plus now when you will take out this much area, so this area will be left vacant, this area will be empty, and this will be shown. You will be able to see this area. So when you will be able to see this area will also come, and the formula will be pi RL. I guess you all get it correct in the very first time. You have to get this curved surface area of this cone, because you will be able to see this portion also. In the top you will be able to see only this rim portion. So rim portion's area is written here. Apart from that, cylinder's curved surface area would be visible, and cylinder's base area would be visible. I have written here the formula, only formula for you, because I know that you all are very good in putting the values and calculating it, because I guess no one here is poor in calculation or something like that, and even if it happens, surely I'll help you out in this. But here the important portion was only to get the formula of this. Once you have got the formula, even say for example this question will come in 4 marks, at least in 4 marks. So if you have done till here, you will get at least 2.5 marks, at least, or teacher can give it on 3 marks also. It's on her distinction. So moving on to next question. So this is the solution. I have done the solution for you also, volume, and you can very well get it that what is the solution. And here you can see this solution is very lengthy. I just tried to tell you all this solution in a very smaller steps. Now, okay, I guess time is not allowing us to go further. So I'll just tell you about this thing. Guys, this was a small journey, very small journey. And in this small journey, I am here to take you through this very mashy world, this problematic area. This problematic area means I know you are working very hard, but you are not able to come up from this situation and get yourself in a very good situation. I know this. You are working very hard. So I'll be taking you in this small journey where from here this point to this point. What I means you are working very hard, you have the basics, you have the concepts. I'll be telling you the way, I'll be telling you the right point where you need to hit so as to get the best marks which you can get, and probably scoring 100% marks. And it's not probable, it's completely final and it's actual. You will get it for sure that in surface area volume, whosoever student comes to this class and will attend and will get all those questions which I am telling you, you will surely get 100% marks in surface area volume in your board exams. And just to check what I am saying is authentic or not, you can just tally your marks in your pre-boards also. You will see that in your pre-boards you are getting 100%, means all the questions correct in your surface area volume questions. And I can assuredly tell you this, I'll be even telling you the ways how to write your questions so that you may not lose marks unnecessarily. So this is me. You can enroll to the course. The course start date would be 3rd of December. It will be a 1.5 or 2 hours class, and in this 2 hours class I'll be taking all the questions which is required. And in this, for enrolling, you need to put this VDNT, you need to put this VDNT, Vedantu, short form of Vedantu, VDNT.in, short form for India, VDNT.in/area. This is the enrolling ID, and with this enrolling ID you are being charged only 51 rupees. 51 rupees, this nominal charge has been only given just for one reason, that I need only serious student guys, because I don't want my class to be so big like 1000 students and I'm just teaching everyone and no one is getting anything. I want only limited number of students who are really interested, who really want to do something better, who really want to do something extraordinary, and they are even trying to do it but they are not getting that right point. So I'll be helping them to come out of this rupees 51 course. It will be charged only 51 rupees, and I'll like to remind you that this is a limited seat course, because I'll not be taking much more entries. I'll be closing these entries as soon as all the seats get filled. So get enrolled, check out the number of seats on the website. You will be getting all the details and get enrolled. I have few other questions also, but today's class time is not allowing us, so we'll not be taking it till very far. So just enroll on this class and just come to me. I'll take you to the sweet journey. Before ending up, I'll just navigate you to this page. See, you need to put this vdnt.in/area and you will be getting all the things. Here you can get everything. And thank you for watching this video. I know you would have been benefited a lot and you would be liking this. If you like, do come to this course and get benefited in a much more better way. Thank you all. Thank you very much.